Alright, so we are heading up. We got Ryan up there in the front. He's got his Jeep Cherokee. I got the LJ today because we're going for a rescue. It's a big truck stuck in the mud, so see how it goes. Going up Blue Grouse. Noticed that there's a nice stump there I could wedge against on my right side there.
Yep.
Bit of an angle, but
That's not bad, actually.
yeah. In. What's up?
Back up a bit. Yeah, that's actually
See what happens. He hasn't moved an inch. There she goes. Okay, well, we got him out. It's snowing. It's snowing!
Oh, it is?
It's like 20 degrees in town. What a crazy place. So that's the hole he was stuck in. It really worked the winch, that's for sure. Yeah, so it's starting to snow. It's just weird because it's, yeah, whatever, 18 degrees in town today or something. We're not that high up. I think we're high, but See, I got my tires right up there on the way up. Let's see how far. It's a little sketchier on the way down. Oh yeah. That's a good feeling though. Gets right into your guts. So we got snow, we got dust, we got a beautiful view. I was gonna say, what more could you ask for, but that's a weird mix of things to ask for, so. Okay, well, I was trying to avoid this, but I just had to head all the way back from the other side of town. Canceled the thing that we were doing, and yeah, I was trying to get clarification before I got all the way back, and then I got all the way back, and then now I'm going back for the rescue, so it is what it is, nature of the business. Here we go. Hit that like button if you haven't already. Alright, just airing down, waiting for Ryan. Once it starts whistling pizzles, then I know I'm around 12. The best things happen beyond the city limit. Well, we decided to take Shoot Lake Road up instead, just because we know the KVR is going to be trashed. We really just got to get to these people, so we're just taking this way up. Go find them in the snow. So, oh, Bruce just messaged us that there's 2 more stuck up here, so we'll get them while we're after we get this guy out. Alright, so we're going to split on the KVR. Ryan's going to go do the one by the lodge, and I'm going to go and see what I can do for the people in Billard. Ah! Oh yeah, that's steep. That's steep. Nope. It's no different on that side. Oh, I'm getting pulled in. It wants it. Oh, yeah, come on. Alright, sir, good luck, and we'll talk soon.
You too.
Oh, there's a cart right here, so I'm not going to make it far. I got it either way. You got to get to those people.
Oh, stuck?
It looks pretty stuck, yeah.
So I'll hang tight here, because who knows, maybe that is the car we're coming for.
I thought it was up past, it's not up past the lake?
That's what they said, but I don't know, it kind of sounded wishy-washy, so let me know if somebody's there right now.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it actually. I'm just getting close here. I just see headrests, so I don't see anyone with it. They could be walking the mile though, either like one way or another.
Yeah, very true. Well, I'm gonna head this way, and then if you head that way, and we'll figure it out.
Yeah, no one's with the vehicle. I'm gonna put a card on their windshield just in case. Ooh. Alright, well, I'll flick this back on if it gets interesting. This is just a bunch of puddle nonsense. I don't know where they were bringing a car up here, but it gets deep. Deeper than you're doing in the car. That's for sure. Alright. Just turned off the KVR. Guess they're up here, a couple of clicks. Let's go have a look. Lots of spots where somebody struggled with not off-road tires. They made it up here still. are 2 kilometers on the KVR past Gallard, or they are 2 kilometers past up here. I don't know, because I'm at the top with, oh, there's some people, there we go. It's definitely more than 2K. How did you guys make it this far?
Oh.
That's far.
We almost did. Last one got it.
Yeah.
Well, there was no way to turn around.
No, that's true. That's true. But I just don't. That's, you guys made it far.
Doesn't matter.
No, that's good. I'm saying, like, whoever was driving, like, had a good driver. That's awesome. Okay. Oh, he's not in the vehicle. Oh yeah, you have to be in the vehicle. Just in case, so it doesn't roll back. So if anything, if it starts rolling, then put the brakes on. I'm gonna need a better angle. Either. Oh. What's up? go flatten out that spot. And then if you guys get stuck, obviously I'll be right back. Alright, that spot's good. Get them to turn around here. Unfortunately, my GoPro had an error and didn't record them turning around, but yeah, got them turned around in this nice spot and got out of here. I don't know what error messages it just popped up, but yeah. Let's hope that's it for these guys, because they did well. Got them turned around on our way down. I don't know how they got up here. I mean, good on them. The funny, not so funny thing is these guys said they were trying to get away from the snow because they're from Calgary, so they came here thinking they would get away from it. Booked a stay at the lodge. Unfortunately, this isn't the place to go, and they made it way further than 2 kilometers. Ryan, you copy? Alright, so we got Ryan behind me now. We're just gonna go make sure there isn't someone else stuck. Just because Bruce said 2 people and I only found one group of guys. There could be another set past them or something, so. Well, the snow has turned less than favorable. Ryan's battling a hill over there. And that spot just pulled me in wickedly. And we haven't even made it to the side shift spot, which is just up past the sunset there. Oh, there he is.
So with snow like this, I couldn't see too many people coming this way now.
No, I mean, oh, it's not good snow, that's for sure.
No. A decent turnaround and maybe we do it.
Yeah, I mean, I'm still wondering though, this guy's peeling up quite a bit here.
Oh, he is? Okay, well, maybe not then.
Well, I also don't want to put ourselves in a bad situation for nothing. This isn't, definitely it wasn't another call, it's just there might be someone stuck up here. Trees there, so that's the best I have, unfortunately. Let's see if I can Austin
Yeah, I'm
power.
gonna have to come down there.
Alright, well, we did it. Let's try to make a spot for Ryan.
To be able to manage that.
Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. Should be a fun little video. 2 rescues in a day, and then Ryan went and did another one. Hit that like button, make sure you're subscribed because there's always more fun on the way. And look at that view. If that's not your view, you might want to subscribe. Nothing against your view, but you may as well get that one too, right? Oh, and here I am just pushing through the snow. The snow is starting to set up nicely. I'm also in 4 high. Whew, look at that view. I can't even look at the road right now. Look at that view. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.